Kahua Analytics uses a best-in-class analytics engine which is embedded directly into Kahua. It brings all of your project data into interactive dashboards so you can see the big picture and dive into the details all in one place. With contextual filtering and drill down capabilities, Analytics takes you from high-level dashboards straight into the records that matter, which are seamlessly linked within Kahua. And with a regular refresh cadence, you know exactly when your dashboards were last updated. You can run analytics across your entire organization or focus on a specific program or project, giving you the flexibility to interact with your data at the right level for the decision at hand. Kahua Analytics scales across every part of your portfolio: cost, schedule, documents, workflows, risk management, and more. It brings all that data together into one view, and if you need to take it further, exporting ensures you're still working from a single source of truth. Kahua Analytics, from the boardroom to the job site, it's the insight you need all in one place.